In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the error 1470 in your Canon Pixma G6020 printer. You will see the warning light on the screen, and you will also see it says error 1470. It says it will ask you to install the printheads correctly. So let's fix that issue. First step is to lift this chamber. You will see the inside of the printer. There is no ink in the pipes. Move the print heads to this position and then press this lock. Open it. Take the print heads out. Sometimes the print heads are okay, but they are not making a good contact with the last parts. So we'll just clean them and remove the second part, and we will also clean this side of the print head. So just use a dry cloth and clean those parts from here. Now clean this side of the print head and then place it here to install. Same with the black. Just push it in so that it connects properly, and then lock it. Lock it from the top. Close this section and wait on the display panel to see if the error goes away or not. Still we can see it says printheads are not installed correctly. Now it can happen for one another reason, that is dampness. If you have done an ink flush recently inside the printer, or if you have done a lot of cleaning, that produces dampness in the printer. So first we have to dry the printer from inside. So I'm just going to let it in a sun. You can also use a hair dryer. Just switch off the printer and blow the air inside this chamber. And now keep your printer outside in the sunlight in the warm area so that the dampness can go away, and you can also move the print heads like this. So this will take all the moisture away from the printer. If you don't have sunlight, if the temperature outside is cold, you can keep it in the warm area of your home and just leave it there for at least few hours. Placed it for 1 hour. Now I'll take it inside, plug in the power cable and switch on the printer. So this should take away the error. So we'll just wait for the printer to start normally. So that will remove the dampness. And whenever you have to leave the printer, just leave this side open and leave it in the sunlight or in the warm area. After an hour or couple of hours, you just have to restart it. So right now I restarted it and it has stopped that error. So that error is gone away. So you can see the normal screen of the printer. Let's do a copy test to confirm if it's working without any problem. So printer is working normal. Hopefully this trick will help you to fix your printer. Thanks for watching.